I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher, and my graduation is complete. This is all about me.
Okay, okay. So what are you teach in your tuition?
Yeah, I teach mathematics and science. I don't teach English. I teach a class ninth
Okay,
student and 10th student.
okay, that's great. So how long have been teaching?
Yes, I have been teaching from last 1 years.
1 years. Okay, okay. So do you like teaching?
Yes, this is my passion, and I like and love my teaching.
Okay, I also like teaching, so that's why I am asking.
Yes, yes, and this is you can say that, but I'm not just like business things, but I love teaching, and after that, money also comes after teaching, so I love. And but when I was a student, no, so that time I was very eager to be a teacher, and after that, my passion just brought me in this line.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. If you are love it your profession, so you are doing lots of hard work and you are putting your totally effort. It is a great. So how long have been learning this language?
Okay, okay. I have been learning this language from last 4 months. Means that 10 days before the Durga Puja, I have joined this app, and before that, I did not know about this Skype app. And before that, I was watching different kind of video available in the YouTube channel, just like English conversion video. And I have been watching South Indian movie dubbed in English from last 2 years. And after that, I just increase my knowledge of listening power after watching the South Indian movie dubbed in English. But I was not speaking like this time I am speaking. So after joining this Skype app, I got a lot of energy. I got a lot of energy and information, just like I am learning. Every day I am
Uh,
practicing.
okay, so you are enjoying your journey?
Yes, yes, I am also enjoying my learning journey of English.
Okay, so you have any like dream after learning this language that you will do that kind such thing, something your dream after learning this language you have complete, you have
Yes,
complete.
yes, yes, yes. Just I will just teach my student and teach my village student of any classes. Just they are not knowing English, and the person and the student of my village who are just fearing about the English of spoken. Just I will tell them English is nothing. English is very easy, and English is easier than Hindi. I will tell them definitely, and I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
teach. Yeah, I will teach every student of the village one day. I want to see that
Okay.
all villagers of Indian villagers should learn English language.
Okay, so do you think that if everyone speak English, so English, I think English important is less than, because that time English is important more than, but after speaking everyone English, so I think in India English speaking important become less than. So do you think I am saying right or wrong?
Yes, you are saying right. English is very necessary, and learning English is very easy today. And everybody should or must learn English, because if I talk about technology and medical things of the country, just like UK, US, and Canada, just their language is English. Their each and every book's language have been written in the English language. To understand the language of that books, we need to learn English. Okay, because good books, no, the good books which is available only in the English language, not in the Hindi language. Because not, I'm not saying that Hindi is not good. Hindi is also good, but I can say that English literature books which is famous and which is very great is just better than the Hindi language, because the books which is better have been written by the just like Newtons, just like Archimedes, have been written in the English language. But the books which is available in our market, in our school or in our universities, Indian universities, just available in the Hindi language. But the original books are available in the English language, because for making me easier understanding, our writers, Indian writers, just dubbed their English language into the Hindi for getting much profit, for getting much benefit of the Hindi learners. But original books have been written in the English language. So English is very necessary, because you know very well, ma'am, that Indian technology is lagging behind than the Rus and China and Japanese technology. Yes.
Yeah.
If all Indians or all Indians Hindi medium student will learn English, so definitely they will connect with the US person, just like I am speaking. They will connect university, they will connect master degree holders, they will connect researcher person, and they will also connect medical college student, and they will learn a lot of new technology, what is happening in the world and what is happening in the other country also, and what new technology, just what is increasing a new technology, just they will easily learn. But today what is happening in India, just we are using 5G and 4G, but still we don't know that still that Rus and China and Japan and just like America is using 7G and 5G mobile, 6th generation mobile. Okay, so we are lagging behind. So if I will learn English, no, so we will be equal of the American people technology, definitely 100% technology.
Yeah, I think in my opinion, in India, lots of student is there who is a very brilliant and knowledgeable person. Only for lacking language and only for lacking facility, he and she is not doing great in our country. So it is more important that first for improve our spoken skill and communication skill and work for your language. And second thing that I am saying that in Indian government provide lots of facility some student who is like knowledgeable.
Yeah, our government is also getting fail in this matter, because a lot of talented student available in India, because
India,
just
yeah.
like other country, yeah, but they are not having a skill of English, because of English, no, they are just lagging behind than the student of China, then the student of Japan, then the student of US and UK, okay, and Canada and England, because they have a skill. Our student is brilliant, of course. Our Indian student, just like lawyers, just like not lawyer, but I am just taking example of engineers and doctors and scientists. All are intelligent, but they have lack of English. Okay, because nowadays NASA is just going. NASA is just going further, and just they are sending their rocket, their everything to the Chand, to the moon, okay, to the Mars also. But India can also send, but their technology is different from the Indian technology. Indian scientists knows everything, okay, but their fuel, okay, their satellite fuel, their rocket fuel, which material should be used so that they can go to the Mars very fast and without stopping, without getting blast. So just they will know after reading out the English content, which is available from the America or Rus literature books.
And third thing is I feel it that if in Indian education want to should change something, like in India education no one teach our student skill and communication skill. So if you want to like if you want to see your student, your new generation progress, then you add some skill and some communication skill course in your curriculum. Otherwise it is not happen. In India only on focus about bookish knowledge, not anything like communication skill, improve your any many skill is there in your society. If you have skill, then you can learn easily money. But in our school and in your Indian education, no one give you like privacy any skill. So do you think?
Yeah, I think I am getting your point, and I am agree with your point, is, ma'am. Agree. I am very agree, and about your point that nowadays that what is happening inside the government school and private school. Just they are private school just running, getting more and more money, just doing business,
Money,
and
yeah.
government teachers are not doing. Because just they are just getting more than 30,000, because even the middle class teacher is also getting more than 30,000 salary. If I talk about the salary of the higher education class, means that high school teachers, so they are just getting money 70,000. Not headmaster I am
70,000.
talking. Yeah, 70,000. And the headmaster of the high school just getting money more than 1.5 lakh, means that 1 lakh and 50 lakhs and above that. And university is also getting 5 lakh and 3 lakh per salary. But our government is just not providing any kind of facility, just like library is also available, but there is no books, but old kind of book available on the book. Yes,
It is,
just
yeah, this is a very like crucial point that in school, even in college, also have library, but in library don't have any good book.
yes, and also just teachers teaching theoretical knowledge, not practical knowledge. Just just teaching, just like chemistry, just fully practical. Biology is just like fully practical. Okay,
Practical
physics
and
is just like fully practical. So how can I
also
imagine? How can I think of that our student will be better than the China student and better than the US student? How can we I imagine?
there are everyone, even teacher and everyone focus about only one mark and like the imitating voting system you wrote and write in the your examination.
Yes. Just teacher gives some the mathematics, just solve some mathematics question, and just they just give some question, and they say that this question will come in the examination. Just read out and just remember this, and after that you will get good marks. What there is useless if you are getting 90 marks out of 100 marks, so there is useless, because what
If
is
you
your mind, there is no certificate marks. Okay, there is no value of you are, if you have certificate marks around the 100, means that I want to say that if you
I
are having knowledge, if you are having theoretical knowledge, if you are practical knowledge, if you are having, if you are having a lot of knowledge in your mind, say, on that time you will be having a knowledgeable person, otherwise your certificate is useless.
I understand that if you have good certificate, good marks, but you don't have knowledge in mind how to drive this thing and how to you don't how to use this thing in your practical life. So your
Yeah.
like certificate useless. I know, understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I, I want to say that if in every school of government or private school, just like the student who are studying in the class of 6, 7, 8, 9, just having the government should provide metals, non-metals, just like sodium, potassium,
Yeah,
magnesium.
sodium,
Yes,
calcium,
yes,
potassium,
yes,
magnesium, ammonium. Yeah.
yeah.
Because I am teacher, science teacher, I know about very well. Like I love chemistry. It is my main subject.
Okay. So, so also just government should provide just like sulfur and carbon and just like bromine, just like they will
Ah,
provide, because
ah,
sulfur is not very costly. Sulfur is not very costly. Carbon is not very costly,
yes.
and bromine is not very costly. If you will just invest 100 rupees, just 10 gram and 15 gram bromine will come out from the market. Okay,
Ah.
so but the government is not providing. So how can our student will knowledgeable? How can they
Ah.
be knowledgeable and they will be better than the China student, better than
Ah.
the Japanese student, better than the American or US, UK, Canada student? So
Yeah.
we cannot imagine.
Yeah, if you are provide metal and non-metal thing in your school, so which student wrote all like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, it is not need by rote like you are learn this thing automatically fit your mind. Yeah, you are right. And he touch and feel all metal in our hand and uh, also subconscious mind fit all metal. No need to rote.
Yeah. But I am teaching class student of ninth class and 10th class. But I have bought from the market. But in my market, just like a small market is available from my home, just 3 kilometer far from my home, is a small market is available. But there is no metals available on the
And
my market. But just like iron, aluminium is available inside my home. I don't have to buy that aluminium and aluminium and just like
other like
copper.
ammonium
Yes,
sulfate
yes.
and
Yeah,
ammonium
yeah,
other. Yeah, I understand that because I also belong to village and there is a same kind problem. Even no one buy this kind thing, so that's why shopkeeper not buy like any metal because no one buy this thing. So that's why if someone like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ask about this metal, so maybe he buy.
yeah. According to the need of the student, and according to the need of the customer, they just shopkeeper keeping their different kind of atoms because
And keep,
school teachers and students are not interested in that buying that type of metals and non-metals. No, so just they are not keeping because if they will keep, no, so after 5 years, that's just they will just get bad, means that they will
destroy.
change their soil and they will get damage, so that's they are not means that they are not keeping that kind of items inside their inside their shop.
Mm, okay, that's great. You are right.